ayan guys, the one, only one. And then this, just do it. Nag-aya ang kaibigan ko. So ano na to, sabi nga ni Kaamuyong is oras de peligro. Nandito po kami sa Old Taipa. Ayan, nice. How come? Oh, on your phone maybe? Come on, give me your phone. Oh, ayan, nandito na naman po kami ng aking friend na addict sa photo. So ayan, okay. Oh, let's go. Go. Ayan guys. Come. Adik kita talaga. Adik yan. Oh. Ayan guys. Ito po ang kagandahan ng Taipa. And then hey, one more. Oh. Hey, wait. Okay. One more. Front me here. Okay. Don't move. Your phone is very long time. Hey, where are you? Go! Your phone is very long time, you know. You see? Hey, cannot. Oh, yeah. Can you check first? You see? Stuck up. Hey, change the new one. You see what happened? Okay na? Okay, coming on my phone. But like this, huh? Okay. Wait. Ayan guys, so pansamantalang pinutol ko yung ano, no? This is the way. The way there. Even here, come. This I see before when I vlog. You know, it's time to work, but I go outside on my rest time. Oiki Smart Store. Wow. Para sa smart lang to. Okay. So ayan guys. This place I discovered before. Ayan oh. Ang kulit niya oh. So ayan guys, inabot niya yung
one day.
holiday, but it's Spanish, you know. May holiday is Spanish, you know. You see the time? The danger time. Ayan po yung Kusina Pinocchio. So pupunta kami dito. Yeah, this one is the second time come here. Before I discover here. Yeah. Ayan, may 37 dito guys. Bus. Turn around in Taipa. Oh. Here, the Nova. Turn around. And then, this is the new terminal bus. You see? And then before, I think it's closed already. The park. Yeah, this is the park. Before maybe it's closed sama. Oh, it's closed. You see? Oh my God. Ayan na ang addict guys, oh. Okay. Enough, madam, please. Hey, close. It's closed, sama. Maybe have the time. Oh. Wow! Before is not new one. Oh. This one is open before. Yeah. Ayan guys, ang ay ayan oh, bumalik ako dito. Ah, same. Chinese movie. Close because it's maybe late na. Okay, let's go. But can go here. Turn around. But is in the old Taipa in the garden, so it's very far when I go back home.
No problem. No problem.
Mapapalabang ka talaga dito ng ikot-ikot, guys. Really? Oh, that is very far. So ito guys ay you see the park before I discover I way there when my rest time I go back to their place when you and me take photo and video at the night, right? So when I come back there on the daytime I see the flower. So I find where is the gate, only here. So easy. Bahala na sa English, guys. I'm not a fluent English, but trying hard. Oh, Tajo. This is a vegetable, right?
It's cherry.
Yeah, celery. Oh. 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 Oh, this one. Flower. Oh. Oh. Wow, nice. Nice. Yeah, I miss the plant. That's why I miss my madam place before, you know. Yeah. So many plants oh. Even the small base can plant. Yeah. Yes. Remember before on my madam. Always malo plant, any. So it's going to Old Taipa, right? And then if you way to left here. Yeah. Yan guys, ikot-ikot lang kami. Oh. Wow, nice this one Snowman. The snowman. Hey. The snowman. Oh, Chinese New Year. So wait. So, ayan guys, maraming salamat. Nasa snowman po kami. Ganda! Very nice snowman!